I'm Scott Al Miller. This is my life living in Sutiava, León, Nicaragua. And several weeks ago, or maybe a couple months ago, I did a video where I came out to the old Mercadito, the market that was torn down, and I showed how they were taking out trees and doing this big construction. We said we don't know what's going to be going on, but I wanted to be able to show it to you and walk you through. And I'm out here at past midnight. It's about 12:30 in the morning, and I'm in Sutiava where the market used to be. So this is the big plaza is right there behind me. This is the asylum. And I'm going to turn around. This is the road going, this is Ruben Dario going back to León. And this up here is just the side road going into North Sutiava to give you an idea of where we're standing. And I came out here tonight. So I was here on Tuesday and there was nothing. It was the same construction that there had been, just kind of, I wonder what's coming. Everybody's been wondering what's going to be coming. And I'm out here on Thursday night, past midnight, and I drove up and the road is still closed. But there's something to see, so we're going to show you right after the bump. All right, I'm going to quickly just turn the camera so you can see. So again, that is the central park of Sutiava right there, and we turn. And this is the darkest part of the city since I've lived here in León. This is so bright that as you drive up to it, you have problems seeing. It is so bright. Now, this side of the road, this is the old market. This was used to encroach, so 70% of this road, you could barely get a single car through here. Look how big and open this is, right? This is a huge road, and this was so tight that this was the main bottleneck of all of León. Was Mercadito here, and the beach is down that way. And again, we're going to turn around. That is downtown León, way down that way, right? We're about the farthest point of the city. So this is the barrio of Sutiava, and this is our old Mercadito that you guys have heard on the show a lot. It got moved, and we have that beautiful new terminal that we need, the bus station and market combination that we need to take you guys to. But this is a new indigenous park celebrating the Sutiava here in the city. So I'm going to turn the camera around and actually just walk this with you and show you the whole new thing. Because this is fantastic. I found this in the middle of the night. I can't believe it. This has got to be the first couple hours that these lights are on. It's so beautiful and so new. Like, this is such an improvement. I can't begin to tell you how different this part of the city feels. So let's just go take a walk and show you what is going on and what a good job they've done. It is basically impossible with these bright lights not to get any glare out here. This is the new, all of Sutiava is getting street lights out of these really bright LEDs, which is fantastic because things are bright and clear and doesn't use a lot of electricity. So you can see the road is kind of barricaded there, and then that one way down there. But so this side, so that's the old market. And this stuff, I've heard that some of this is turning into the new police station. I'm not sure if that's really true. Everybody always has a story and you just don't know. But so this used to be all market stalls along here and encroaching the road and just a mess. This is where the buses used to pull over to go to the beach. Now they're at the new terminal. And we didn't have benches. We didn't have places to walk. We didn't have lights. We didn't have murals. We didn't have park stuff. None of this was here 2 days ago when I came through. And this is just gorgeous. And think about how beautiful this is going to be once this grows up and matures. So here we go. The origin of Sutiava. And obviously an AI-generated mural, but that is a temporary one for sure. This is a whole new white wall. So the wall was here, but it didn't have the nice, that's a school on the other side, right? So this has got all painted white, and they put up the new wire. And this is really, like, if you're walking through the city, stop here and hang out. That is, of course, a rough model of, it's not the same church, but kind of. So Sutiava is the oldest part of the city of León. It was here long before León itself moved here. A little bit about the traditional language here. So this is an indigenous village, well, city. And all the way down to the beach, we talk about the indigenous communities on the beach, but they're actually part of Sutiava. So it's an extension. It's a very large municipality that covers the area. You can see the different spellings of Sutiava. Normally we spell it with a V, but here in downtown it's spelled with a B. The visions of the cosmos from the Sutiava. This is so cool. And these nice benches. I really think the paint is wet. I'm not going to sit down. It's got to be really cool for the people who have the houses along here, except for me talking really loudly in the middle of the night. Sacred territory. That is the church that is just behind us. It is so bright that I'm able to film this in the middle of the night without any problem. That's what's amazing. Semana Santa in Sutiava. This is the Easter celebrations. They're showing the... Hello. Buena noche. All right, we got more. Buena noche. No, estoy ocupado. Now, it is a little bit of a problem that now with the lights...
Soy Nica.
Sí, Nica. Ah, sí, sí.
De respeto.
All right, we're here in the middle of the night at the new Sutiava Park.
Ya. Ya, León.
All right, buena noche.
Veo,
Mucho gusto.
Adiós.
All right, we have the artisans.
Echamos.
Buena noche. All right, traditions and legends. Myths and legends that form the collective memory. Stories transmitted orally from our elders. Unfortunately, you do get a lot of drunks on the streets. That is a thing. But luckily, this is a very safe country, so even getting kind of accosted by drunks looking for money in the middle of the night isn't too much of a problem. Awkward, of course, but not too much of a problem. Always the street dogs, and they're so cute and sweet. Oh, I scared him. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I know. I know. Well, now that I've scared my doggy friend, we're going to call it a night. This was a really cool discovery. I'm so glad that we found this. And it is such a beautiful night to be out walking. It is so comfortable. And this is just really, really neat. I'm very happy. You can tell I'm excited about this because this is my neighborhood, right? Like, we got cool things happening. These guys are going to hit the barrier right now. Oh, they just realized these lights are so bright that if you didn't have the lights, this barrier is completely visible. But I came up, I almost hit the barrier as well. So everybody's doing U-turns and heading this way. It's like, people are going to go through this because you come up and you're blinded by the lights and you're like, what am I looking at? Because this hasn't been here. And then you come up fast because this is normally a big open thing. And so as you come up, there's nothing until you're a few feet away. And then you realize that there's this barrier here. It's just plastic. No one's going to get killed, but it's going to be a mess at some point as someone comes tearing through it. So I just want to point out that I'm in the car and look up there. You cannot see that barrier. It is so hard to see with those lights. You can kind of see it. But when you're in the dark and you're blinded by those lights and you're coming up on that barrier, it's a surprise. When you're looking at it in normal view, you really don't see it until you're right on top of it. Anyway, I'm Scott Alan Miller. Thank you so much for joining me tonight on this interesting walk here in downtown Sutiava, and hope that you enjoyed getting to see what's going on here and the improvements we have going on and the exciting, future that's here. That's one of the things I just love here so much is the constant improvements in these wonderful neighborhood kind of ways, right? Not like this big development where you're like, this has got to be doing damage, right? This is just a beautiful park and nice safety lights in the middle of the city, in the middle of the night, and for an area that a lot of people were worried about driving through. And a lot of times, there'd be animals in the road at night and you couldn't see them. And like this one that's barking at me. This is just so great. So if you'd like to help support the channel, you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/Scott Alan Miller. It's like Patreon and comes directly to me and helps pay for all of this that it takes to do the show. And of course, join our expats group, expats.nicaragua.com. It's a great forum to get on, ask questions, learn things about the country, meet other people, and so forth. Learn about meetups going on and all kinds of things. And remember, share on social media. Tell someone about this show. We really appreciate it. And, if you got questions or whatever, join us normally Thursdays on the live stream. It's a great time to just talk to people in real time, talk to me, and we just hang out on Thursday evenings, and it's a lot of fun. And with that, I will see all of you from beautiful Sutiava, León, Nicaragua tomorrow.